here's some rules about it, okay? The first one is important, but it is not really anything you guys got to deal with now. If anyone is interested in the explanation on this, I can come around and show you. But, you know, just like when you're multiplying anything together, you're allowed to multiply anything together. So there's no situation where you would not be able to multiply these together. But the final answer, the index says, we had an argument before this. Is it indices? Anyone?
Yeah, I don't know. Personal preference.
That's not true. It's English, but whatever. The indexes are indices. Okay. Must end up being the same. I like the way I said that. It really rolls off the old tongue. All right, but for you guys, oops, what happened there? You're not going to deal with this very often. Again, I will, if you're interested in, if you're like me, you know, if you're like me and you're a big math junkie, right? Then, you know, I'll come by and I'll explain it to you. You know, we'll get our little fix, you know, and then we'll move on. Yeah, you guys, the math junkies know what I'm talking about. Right?
Easier?
Right. No, it's not easier. No.
Okay,
All right. All right, but that is a true statement, okay? So the second thing you got to do is multiply the, and I'm going to put this in quotations, coefficient. Okay, because the way you need to look at it is, it's the outside number. That is not the index. Not the index. And you may be saying to yourself, hey man, what is the outside number? And I like what you're thinking, but you just got to relax. I'm going to show you. These are the steps. Just hold on. Not the index, though. Leave that index alone. Right? It's like poison ivy. Don't touch it. Don't even look at it. Some of you don't even look at it. Right? That's how allergic you are to it. Leave that index alone. Unless you're the math junkie, I'll show you in a little bit. We'll play with our indexes. Can you do that in school? I don't think you can. I don't know. We'll go down the math alley and... Never mind. All right, we also are going to multiply the inside numbers. What are those inside numbers called? You got it. That's a cool word. Yeah.
I can't spell inside. I spell it in.
Radican to the math people. Inside numbers for the layman. All right. And then you do have to simplify if necessary. Is that okay?
So those are the three important.
Yeah, these are the three important ones because you guys aren't going to need to worry about the first step. I need to make sure I say it because otherwise the internet trolls might be like, hey man, what's up with the not telling the kids about the old index thing? Yeah, and I'll be like, hey, look, man. If you want to teach, come and teach. Right? It's not as easy as it looks on there. All right. All right. All right. So that will be enough for you guys. But if you want more, I can do more. But let's just do a nice basic one. All right. Here we go. Nice and basic. First one. Let's do Okay, one of the problems is with radicals is there's so many rules going on, okay? And so you do have to combine all your knowledge together. When you're multiplying like bases, what do you do to the exponents? Add them, thank you, okay? All right, so what is the index of this problem? 3, okay, and so they are the same, so we're happy. What is the outside number of these problems? No.
0.
Not 0.
1.
1, it's 1, right? If it's not there, it's 1. Okay, so really, this is 1 cube root of 5x times 1 cube root of 6x. Is that okay?
2.
No, we're multiplying though. 1 times 1 is?
1.
All right, so we don't really need to write if you don't want to. But you just got to know it's there. So this is going to be the what? The cube root of what then? We're multiplying the inside numbers together. Radicands for the, 30 what?
2. 30x squared.
30x squared.
Yeah.
Is that okay with everybody? All right, now we got to simplify. How do we go about simplifying?
You gotta find.
Yeah, break down to those factors, right? Prime factors. So 30 breaks down into what? 10 and 3. 10 breaks down into... All right, so what size group are we looking for? All right, so yeah, there's nothing that we can take out. What about the x's? Can we take anything out there? All right, so then this is actually your final answer. The third root of 30x squared. Is that okay? Nothing to it, right? Basically. All right, so let's do another one. We'll make it a little bit more hard. I don't want to offend everybody. You know, it's too easy sometimes. You get upset. Let's do another one. That's a good problem. I just made that one up, just like that. Brooke, what do you think? Very good. Thank you. You got to ease into it, you know. All right. What's our index? 2. What are the outside numbers? All right, so what's negative 6 times 4? Negative 24. Now we're moving on the inside.
squared.
72x squared y cubed. Is that okay? Everybody understand that? Any questions?
Break that down.
So now we do have to break it down. Okay, good. So let's break down 72 because we got to see if we can simplify it. Maybe we can, maybe we can't. There is a shortcut on simplifying, but you can figure it out on your own. Okay, give you something to do this weekend. You get bored.
Can I dance music for this one?
What?
Can I dance music for this one?
Can you do it?
Do you have any dance moves for this?
Oh. You mean besides this one right here? Yeah. It's so funny. Like, it's so funny. Everyone has the, well, except for Alex. He doesn't have the same. Most people have the same reaction, man. When I start moving and grooving, I look at them, they all look away real quick. Alex seems very comfortable. I like that, Alex. Confidence. Come on. Let's break it down. Alex is used to it. He's a dance machine. Come on.
All right, the factors of 72.
Let's get it down. People on the internet want to get this problem done. Hey, internet people, just chill, man. All right, what we got? What are we going to do?
9 and 8.
9 and 8. Yeah, it's pretty easy, right? They're just sitting there looking at you already, isn't it? So 9 and 8. What's 9 break down into? 3 and 3. What about 8?
4 and 2.
2 and 4. 4 and 2. 4 breaks down into?
2 and 2.
All right, what size groups are we looking for? All right, so there's a 3 and there's a 2. Don't forget about this one. right? That happened a lot on the quiz. We forgot about that one up there. All right, so be careful. So then what happens on the outside?
Negative 24 times 30.
Very good. Is that okay with everybody? Oh my God. What a champion. Hey, that was Michael, by the way. Famous now. You're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah, you're welcome. Let's not get carried away with our thanks and welcome. So, all right, how many X's can come outside? 1X. How many Y's?
1 Y.
All right, good. Now, Mike, can we go inside now?
Yeah.
Thank you. Man, that guy's a champion. All you internet people, Michael. That's what you want to know. All right, what do we got? I'm going to post this one. Yeah.
144.
Huh?
Negative 144 X, Y.
Oh, well, let's go to the inside first before we get there.
2 Y.
Yeah, I want to finish out this step, but yeah, you're right. Okay, so 2 what?
Y.
2Y. No X, though, right? Because the X got grouped and came outside altogether, right? All right. All right, so then go ahead. What was it? Negative what?
144 X, Y.
Square root of 2Y. All right, do we need any more than that?
No, as long as they're gonna be just like that.
They're not going to be harder than that one. If you can do that one, then like that's why we're taking the quiz at the end of the period Thursday.
Okay.
Okay? All right. First things